Hello everyone, welcome to Pandey Grojo YouTube channel. My name is Mukesh Pandey and I have total 10 plus years experience in database development and a data analyst and data scientist. And I am providing real-time scenario-based training on complete SQL and database on Graphy platform. So Graphy is the application platform which is developed by the Unacademy. So this is the product of the Unacademy. So I'm providing training on the Graphy. So it's totally on the real-time scenario base, and the total 12 live session is there. And the peak of this training session is the I'm providing the training based on the real-time scenario and the real-time scenario based interview question, as well as the I will support till the not crack the any of the interview. And also after the training session, I will provide the complete of the assignment, that is the totally based on the real-time scenario based question. And you need to solve all the question after each session, and you need to send to me back for the evaluation part, and I will provide the feedback on the each training after that when the training started. The training will be start from 4th of September. This is the weekend batch, and the timing is the 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. IST. And also I have the weekday batch that is starting from the 6th of the September. That is the timing is the morning 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. And training is the I already completed total 8 batch in the Graphy platform. And coming to the fee part, so right now running the 50% discount. So if you enroll today, you will get in 2500, but if you go to the market outside, the same course will be available into the 7,000 or 10,000. So just don't wait, and you can enroll the course today. And the course link description I provide in the comment box. So just you can go and enroll today. Thank you so much. If you have any question, let me know. Thank you so much.